Hello, my name is Pedro Paulo Enong and I'm excited to share my motivation for applying to the Global Connect Fellowship at Nanyang Technological University. I'm currently pursuing my Master's in Sustainable Development at University College Dublin with an undergraduate degree in chemistry focused on green chemistry from the University of Santo Tomas. My long-term career goal is to contribute to global sustainable efforts, particularly in addressing climate change and promoting sustainable practices. Inspired by witnessing environmental degradation in my community, I aspire to pursue PhD focused on global sustainability challenges. I believe that GCF will be a crucial step towards achieving this goal. My educational journey has provided me a solid foundation in chemistry and sustainability. At University College Dublin, I am engaged in coursework addressing UN SDGs. I was also nominated by UCD to be part of Universitas 21 Global Citizen Program, which strengthens my skill needed to tackle pressing problems. Additionally, I have completed professional certificates in green chemistry and measurement uncertainty. During my undergraduate studies, I completed a research internship at Chungyuan Christian University in Taiwan, synthesizing conducting polymer metal nanoparticles to quantify hydrogen sulfide gas concentration in the environment. I presented this research at Royal Australian Chemical Congress in Melbourne and received recognition from my university. These experiences has given me a commitment to continuous learning and shape the future with confidence. Through the GCF, I hope to gain value skills in leadership, collaboration, and advanced research methodologies to drive impactful sustainability initiatives. I am particularly drawn to the Global Connect Fellowship because of NTU's commitment to fostering global cooperation in sustainability. The program's emphasis on collaboration and real-world impact aligns perfectly with my advocacy for a sustainable future. The opportunity to collaborate with the world-leading faculty is supreme. Through this fellowship, I hope to raise awareness about the importance of sustainability. I'm eager to engage with potential supervisors who share the same passion for sustainability and contribute to meaningful projects that address pressing environmental challenges. Thank you for considering my application. Together, I believe we can make a significant impact on sustainability for future generations, and I look forward to the opportunity to connect with you all soon.